Hello. Today what I wanted to do is share a DIY fire bush tool. Now I created this a while back. I did a couple videos on it showing how it worked. But I want to share it again because it can be a tool that many can use. That's it right there. This here was an old file that was broke and wore out. I took a grinder, I flattened this to a 90 degree. The other side I just took the teeth off of. So this side here I use as a flint and steel. This side I use for my ferro rod. It works very good, and if you use a file that's not wore out, you can actually use it for sharpening a axe and so on. So it gives you many uses with just a file. Now a file, you can, most of them take right out of a box, hit them with flint, and they will spark. You don't have to heat treat them, you don't have to do anything. Make them the size you want, and you got yourself a flint and steel. Sharpen that edge if you like. You got yourself a good striker for a ferro rod. I have a piece of flint right here. I've got some char cloth and a tinder bundle on the ground. I'm going to show you how this works as a flint and steel. So I'm going to just take a piece of this tinder, or this char cloth, and the tinder I have is damp, but we're going to see how we do out here. There's a wind as well. So I'm going to take my char cloth, bend this over like this. Gives me more areas to catch that spark, because for me it's all according on that right spark catching it. Sometimes you get it in one try, sometimes you get it in 20 tries, but as long as you get it. So I'm going to hold this in my hand so it's not flopping around. And I've got it right now. So I'm going to set that stuff down, grab my tinder bundle, and there we go. We've got flame. So there you have it. As you've seen, it works great with a ferro rod or with flint. So I just thought this may be something handy that someone else can find useful in their fire kit. Now, having 3 options basically and more with this, I figured it was worth sharing. This 90 degree edge, you can also scrape bark off of trees. You can use it for multi-purpose. If you have the teeth still on your file, you can use that for sharpening different tools. And it also works with a ferro rod and a flint. So hope you enjoyed this, and thanks a lot for watching, and take care.